All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So blizzard. 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 Let's try and get a picture. Blizzard. Yeah, here we are. A lot of snow and it's cold, windy. Yeah, definitely. Here we are. Blizzard. Yeah. A big cold storm with strong winds and snow. Blizzard. Have you seen a blizzard? Yes. Whoops, let's change that. I have never been in a blizzard. She has blizzards in her part of the country. He likes to learn about blizzards. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, definitely. They know all about blizzards. Yeah. He knows, well, they know a lot. They know a lot about the weather. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so he, she, I, it might become a blizzard. It depends on the other weather patterns and what happens elsewhere. Yeah, it depends what happens elsewhere. It might turn into a blizzard. Maybe, maybe not. How cool is that? Yeah. They always avoid the blizzards. Avoid. Whoa. Whoa, avoid. Whoa, no thank you. I don't want to go there. Yeah. So, at a certain time of the year, some parts of the world get more blizzards than usual. Than normal. Yeah. There was a blizzard last year. Yeah. There was a big blizzard that hit the UK back in early March 2018. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. We are preparing for the big blizzard. Yes, we have to get ready because a blizzard might be here soon. Yeah, a blizzard might be here soon. There will be a blizzard in a few days. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Do you think that the blizzard will come this way? The blizzard might come this way. Yeah, whoops. There might be a blizzard, yeah. There might be a blizzard. It depends on the weather. Yeah, but if there is a blizzard, then we need to do something about it. Very important. How cool is that? Yeah. How cool is that? So blizzard, yeah. But can you use blizzard in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.